to the Nono and Slender episode. This is a short interview about these two stunning performers, two talented comedians, Nono and Slender. Good evening, guys. Nono and Slender.
Good morning, Baba.
Okay, sharp.
How are you? Fine.
I'm fine.
Are you still alive and kicking?
Yes.
Fit and physical.
Definitely.
Flex and flexible.
No. I'm the one doing the interview here. Okay. I'm the one doing the interview here. Look, listen, guys. In this future, when you started this comedy thing,
it was Christmas time,
Yeah.
In early Christmas.
During festive season, Baba.
you were friends.
Yeah, since we were friends from the beginning.
Yeah.
But you know, in Christmas when Zagalani, say I'm house to house still happy. Then you decided, what if we took old things, since go again and sing amazing, maybe they can give us something. Indeed, there's a 7 zela. Today we did performing naturally. It was very we did perform on the 25th of December.
Stop touching yourself, man. We're doing an interview here.
25th December.
Yes. Without any
Singing house to wife.
and that's where people started to like it.
Yes.
Okay, great. And how did you get the name Yara Slender? Is it because of your body shape with Slender Vela or
Hey, I'm Slender.
what's your real name?
Kiss Slender.
Your real name?
Elinor Slender.
Okay, cool. I'm laughing down the fact that I want to know your real name.
My real name. Let me call my great name.
There's no need to do that. Okay, great. There's no need to do that.
Okay.
Fine. No.
Yeah.
Nono is your real name.
No.
It's not your real name.
Yeah.
What's your
It's
real
my
name?
nickname.
Yeah. How did you get the Kamala Nono? Or maybe Kalisa Simran?
Yeah, truly speaking.
No, okay.
Then Kalisa, no.
And then Yashala. What's your real name? Okay, what's your real name?
My name is Vos, my original name.
Okay, your surname?
My surname is Hayo.
Hayo.
Yes.
Okay, and you are close, and then
Yes,
Yeah.
And you?
Some beef.
Okay, great. Your surname?
It's Mavoso. Yeah. My name is Slender again.
Okay, great. Slender Mavoso.
Yeah.
Nono Hayo.
Yes.
Your name is Vus. Your real name is Vus. Okay, guys, what you're doing is very powerful, ne? So I'm going to ask you, indawo nyana briefly ngespeed nje endawo perform kuzo zingaki sikuphi isiperform kuphi nenzani
Oh, we've been to theaters. We've been to So You Think You Are Funny. We've been performing.
Yeah, I remember to So You Think You Are Funny.
Punches.
Why you were not chosen? Why do you think is the reason for you guys not to be chosen at the show?
Yeah.
So You Think You Are Funny.
Good question. We've been waiting for someone to ask. Yes. You know that.
Yeah.
You can see they will say, you think you are funny. So they were not expecting people who are crazy. Actually, so
We are not fun.
We are crazy.
We are crazy.
So
actually, mina mabantu mabethi ngiyahlanya umama mbeka yala uQueen Bazala athi awuhlali ikhanda lakho alithathi kahle.
So we didn't understand.
I was the difference between ukuhlanya nokungathathi kahle.
Uhlanya ungathathi kahle.
There you hear it, guys. Ukuhlanya ukungathathi kahle ikhanda lakho lisuke lingathathi kahle.
Yeah.
Great. So you think the reason for you ukuthi ningangeni select up to the top level here, so you think you're funny. What was the reason?
Truly speaking, the thing be individually be strictly stand up.
Strictly stand up.
And thina that knowledge. We have the thing is stand up. Thina sense sketch comedy, so the two things are different.
Yeah.
But when times goes on, we understand the
stand up.
Stand up because of them. We start a little bit of a experience. But Tina Sasjelan, we keep on doing sketch comedy. Siba well known.
Yeah. So you're not gonna do stand up comedy.
But still kuleso stand up comedy. Sikhonile last up until last 16, last 14 years.
16.
Last 14. Meaning good talent will call, but you're not disappointed about not being chosen.
No, that's what the competition.
Okay, so you're not thinking, maybe you're not funny now. Stuff like that.
We don't think we are funny.
We are crazy. Then after that, we started performing
show.
Emashowini,
March
yeah.
21st. We've been to Grahamstown Art Festival.
Oh, no,
Yes,
that's
yeah.
great. That's great. That's
Performing
great.
another.
Yeah.
We've been to Tata FM, Abayazi, Abasekasi.
All right, yeah.
We've been to VCR.
Yes, I know that. I know
Yeah.
that. And I've seen. No. Yeah, I was there. I used
Yes,
to be a DJ at VCR.
Oh, man.
And I was one of the guys who used to interview. Okay, guys, there you hear it. These guys have been in all these places: Grahamstown's Arts Festival, Tata FM, which is a local radio station, local newspapers such as Lokshin News, and many 21st birthdays doing their thing, their sketch comedy. These guys are talented. You need to wash out the space. You are about to see. I mean, they are about to blow your mind in the near future. But before we close down, guys, and then
Before we forget, as
Yeah.
you also introduced, let me get in there, remember. Ke manyalo, ke makopo, ke mafu, ke mafu. I remember fela ka minati ka dibai. Now I'm so good. Good job, so let's talk about Tsepeng. There's some leaf.
Us.
Yeah.
Oh, the phone.
Yeah. And then me body party lan. Oh, ke ja casted in jail. O ja style in jail. That's different. Yeah.
Okay.
We have
two
a
different
bar.
things. You
We have
eat
a
casted
bar.
and then he eats styling gel.
We have a bar.
Okay, guys, there you hear it. Watch the space. These guys are about to blow your mind. Definitely sure in the few weeks to come,
Yes.
they are going to do a comedy show, a big comedy show. So watch out, watch the space. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.